What is an iron lung? Imagine not being able to take a single breath on your own. For many patients during the polio epidemics of the 20th century, this was a terrifying reality. Their only chance at survival was a strange, giant machine called the iron lung. The iron lung, or negative pressure ventilator, may look like something out of science fiction, but it was once one of the most important life-saving devices in history. Let's dive inside this incredible invention and see how each part works to keep a person alive. To truly understand how the iron lung kept people alive, we need to look inside. Let's explore the main body parts of this remarkable machine and discover how each piece plays its role in the miracle of breathing. 1. Cylindrical chamber, the body of the machine. At the heart of the iron lung is its massive airtight cylinder. This chamber completely encloses the patient's body from the neck down, creating a sealed space where air pressure can be carefully controlled. 2. Neck seal, the gateway. At the front is a padded collar called the neck seal. It tightly fits around the patient's neck, preventing air leaks while the head remains outside. This simple but critical part allows patients to eat, talk, and be cared for while their body is inside the machine. 3. Pressure pump, the artificial breathing muscles. The real magic happens with the pump, usually a motor-driven bellows attached to the chamber. It changes the air pressure inside. When the pressure drops, the chest expands, pulling air into the lungs. When pressure rises again, air is pushed out. In short, the pump acts as the patient's breathing muscles. 4. Inspection windows, the watchful eyes. Along the sides are small inspection windows. These allow doctors and nurses to check on the patient without breaking the sealed environment. A simple design, but absolutely essential for safe care. 5. Control panel and gauges, the brains of the machine. On the side, you'll find the control dials and gauges. These regulate the rhythm and strength of the pump. Doctors could fine-tune the machine to match each patient's breathing needs. Too strong or too weak, and the balance could be dangerous. 6. Sliding bed or cot, the patient's resting place. Inside, the patient lies on a sliding bed that can be pulled out like a drawer. This made it easier to position the patient, provide nursing care, and slide them back into the chamber safely. 7. Emergency release, the backup plan. Finally, some iron lungs included an emergency release or manual pump. If the power went out, caregivers could still operate the machine by hand, making the difference between life and death. The iron lung wasn't just a machine, it was a lifeline. Every part, from the neck seal to the pump, worked together to breathe for patients who couldn't breathe on their own. Today, modern ventilators have replaced these massive devices, but the iron lung remains a powerful reminder of human resilience, innovation, and the fight against polio. It truly was a miracle of its time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational 3D videos. And let me know in the comments, what topic would you like me to cover next in 3D? Your suggestions could be the focus of my next video.